First video back from SneakerCon LA. We're about to go ahead and check out this store, you know, Ross Dress for Less. We're checking out another location. I'm actually currently out here in Thousand Oaks. Hopefully they have some goodies here. You know, Ross's have been kind of crazy. And one thing I suggest is go to more locations out of your area, more locations in one day, and you might be able to source more items. We're gonna go ahead and see what we can find here, strictly for Amazon, but if I find some eBay stuff, maybe we'll consider it, or even Whatnot. Link to my Whatnot auctions is in the link below, you dig? Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's going on here. We got active tops over here for men. I'm sure we got women's active tops. We got shoes over there. It's not a lot going on here right now. Luckily, we came at a pretty good time. So let's go ahead and dive on to the shoes first and see if there's anything we can come up on. Right off the bat, we find some LA Dodger slides from Funko brand, $12.99 on those. Some Hokas, still 70 bucks. Good price, you still can make something of them, but we're gonna leave those alone. And I definitely have been hearing about this. The Dreamers have been popping up at Ross's around, you know, around LA, I'm sure, and probably in more areas too. What do you guys think about these Puma Dreamers? They want $44.99, so 45 bucks. We found these for 30 bucks. We found them for even $19. So for me personally, I'm gonna leave these alone, but there might be some wiggle room on there. Let me know what you guys think about those Dreamers. We got some boots up here. We got these high-tech Under Armour Storm boots for 60 bucks. I feel like there is some money to be made there, but I'm just good on boots for myself. Let me know if you have flipped those before and what are some of your comps. We got some more of the LA Crocs, LA Dodger Crocs. How well will the Dodgers do this season? I'm not really familiar, haven't really followed too much with baseball, but I know Dodgers have been doing great. Another pair of Hokas for too much. Champion shoes, Adidas cleats. You're going to see as I see. My first time being here in a long time. I came here some months ago. Got some smiley face. So these Adidas looking Converse, 49 bucks on those. Not too bad. Some Adidas over here. Some trail runs or something like that. $64. They are taxing. But we are in Thousand Oaks. Maybe that's why. We got some supercharged shell toes. White with the blue. Got some graffiti writing on the back. 9.5 for a whopping 50 bucks also. So they do have a few things. The pricing is a little up there. We got some more pairs of these. The colorway is dope. I'm telling you, the colorway is dope, but the price is not. Some more deals with that boost. That boost is looking popping on those too. I like some of the colorways we're seeing. I'm just not liking the prices that I'm seeing. What are these? The color combination on here is pretty fire. These are some Adidas basketball shoes. Maybe look these up to see what's going on. 39 bucks is not a bad price for those. I like this colorway. I haven't seen that colorway yet, so we'll check that out too. See what else we're sliding down before we end on the men's section. We got them Adidas that look like the Gucci shoes. We got some some Reef slides. Never seen those before. Anything else in the men's section? Okay, we got these that we've seen at a few other locations too. These shell toes, not a bad with a translucent outsole, 49, 50 bucks. And then we got some pro models. I'm a big fan of pro models, like a Chinese New Year pro model. This might be something to look up. 40 bucks. What do you guys think about those in the comments below? These with the Galaxy print on them, $40 is the retail for what they're asking. They do got some socks here. Man, I remember at one point, they used to have these Nike socks, these Nike tubes, like knee-high Nike socks for like $4.99. I used to cook those so much, but long gone are the days of those Nike socks, you dig? They got a lot of other stuff here too. We got LA Dodgers and LA Lakers slides, $12.99. Let me just look those up. You guys can see this location is pretty big. Got a lot going on, and we came at a good time. We came in at a pretty good time. It's not too busy in here. I can kind of take my time and chill and search through things that I want to look through, even though I won't be taking my time too long because I got some other places to go. But it feels good in here, it smells good in here. Nice clean store. Let's go ahead and attack the women's shoes and see if there's anything there. And then we'll head back to the men's shoes and see what the ones that we found were, if they're worth anything if there was anything worth grabbing, you know what I mean? I take my time, I double, triple check. I make sure I'm not getting any more bad buys, bro. You should do the same too. Some Croc-like, not Crocs though. Nothing here standing out. Some more of the Croc slides. Now these will sell. I sold a couple, or I sent a couple into Amazon that haven't sold yet because I have them up for a higher margin, but they definitely will sell soon. $17.99 for those. See if there's anything here in the women's section. Okay. So far, kind of dry for what I look for. Puma slides. Now these right here. This is the funny thing. That's a funny thing right there. I'm going to show you guys why that's funny as I look through everything else. Nothing else. Hilarious. I think this is hilarious. Size 12. They want 69 bucks for these. Now, this shoe right here, along with a few shoes in the same colorway and other colorways, is the reason why I have such a bad taste in my mouth when it comes to cleats. Let me explain. So in 2019, I was finding a lot of these things on clearance. I found a lot of these type of cleats. These exact ones, white, gold, navy blue, and red and white. A lot of colorways, $4.99, $3.99, $2.99, $5.99. I bought like maybe 50 pair of cleats that I have found sourcing all around the area. Then the pandemic hit. First of all, I took my time in posting them, which was my fault. But then I did post them, but then we got shut down and nobody was buying any type of athletic gear, no cleats or nothing. So I sat with cleats in my place for about 2 years pretty much. Started to sell them, trickle them out here and there. I'm down to maybe like 10 to 15 left. But that's why I stopped and fell off of cleats, because of shit like this. And the thing that's crazy is now, the thing that's really crazy is the fact that they're asking 70 bucks for them. I got them when they were $4.99. So I don't even know what to say about that, but that's crazy.